Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand, the 60 inches mega top prep tables with 2 leads units. Let me give you the overall sizes first. The entire length is about like a 60.5 inches long. And depth of the unit is about like a 34.5 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 46 inches tall. For this cutting board, it's almost like a 9 inches deep. As we can see the front of the unit, they have 2 big open doors. And let me give you the dimensions for the inner side. The depth of the unit is about like a 21 inches for the inner side. Clearance of the height is about like a 23.5 inches tall. For the length in the inner side, about like a 56 inches. We can see they come in with the shelvings. The height is adjustable. When we look at the back of the units, we're having the sanitation stickers on the back and also having the 110 plugs and controllers, and the compressor is mounted at the bottoms. So we can take a look closer to see the inner side of the lead space. As we can see the inner side container space, they come in with the 2 even space on both sides. And for each side have about like a 12 containers. Let me give you the measurements of it. It's about like a 26.5 inches wide and 21.5 inches deep. As we can see the containers, they come in with the NSF sanitation stickers on it. Let me give the measurements too. It's about like a 6.5 inches wide and 7 inches long and 6 inches deep. And we can see they come in with the 3 sticks on each of the side. You can adjust the space for the like a different container you want to put in. This will be the all demonstration information for these prep tables, 60 inches mega top. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.